Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new Pay Your Friends feature on Crypto.com. So let's get going. Alright, so we're going to try out this new Pay Your Friends feature. You can use it with the Crypto.com app, and it's similar to Venmo, where you can send money to your friends. So let's see how it works inside Crypto.com. Alright, so at the home screen, you've got the controls up there right underneath your balance. We'll just go up there to the top and hit send. And then it wants us to import our phone contacts. So as you can see, it's got a little button down there. Let's allow that. And of course, it goes through all of your contacts. You got a bunch. It also looks like if you have a contact in your phone and you haven't indicated what country they're from, then it needs to be edited, right? You need to make sure that they're in the USA or one of the participating countries. All right, and I can see that this friend that I wish to use has the country code missing. So I'm going to hit Edit Contact. All right, so when you're in a person's contact information, you will need to edit the phone number so that it just doesn't have a 1 in the front, or if it only has their area code and number, you're going to need to put the +1 at the beginning of the number. Now, your Apple phone contacts will accept this and dial them as usual, but for whatever reason, Crypto.com expects to see that +1 in front in order for it to determine the country code of your recipient. Now, if you're in a different country and your recipient is in a different country, and you would still put their country code in there like this, and if they're eligible, then it should work just fine. I'm not sure how many countries Pay Your Friends supports, but I do know that it does support the US. So that's the trick, at least. All right, so we'll go back to my first friend. Gonna tap. And so then it asks me which crypto I would like to send. So we can send Crypto.com chain, CRO, Crypto.com MCO, and then Cardano, Binance Coin, or Ethereum, which is interesting. I don't see BTC. Now, if you choose Crypto.com chain, there's going to be a 10% cash back, I guess on your end, maybe their end. So let's give that a try. Now, I'm assuming that when you do this, in order for them to accept it, they're probably going to have to sign up for Crypto.com. So I will go ahead and send 50 CRO, $50 worth of CRO. And I'll send a little note. All right, we'll get that. All right, so I've got my little note. I've got my little $50 worth of CRO, and I'll click send. And then it wants me to confirm that. Of course, you're going to need a balance of any of these. We'll hit confirm. So she's going to need to register with Crypto.com. Now, as far as I know, that doesn't really cost you anything just to simply register. You just give it some personal information. You will need to verify your identity, though, so it's a bit tricky. But it's not a lot of hoops to ask your friends to jump through in order to get $50 worth of crypto if you decided to send them that much. Could be 10, could be 20, whatever you feel. And then once they do that, then it will be very easy for you to send them crypto at any point. So I'm going to tap anywhere to continue. And I'm done with that. And I'm assuming that if they, for whatever reason, they don't accept it, it might just expire and come back to you. So I don't know what the time frame is on this. But it looks like it went out of my account. So I can check my wallet and go to my crypto chain and then just check down below for the outgoing transaction there. All right, so it wasn't too difficult for me to send the money to my friend, but I will need to maybe walk my friend through it. I'm assuming if your friends are tech savvy, they should be able to get through the registration process pretty easily, and it'll allow them to learn how to deal with crypto, maybe send crypto back to you at some point in the future, and get started with crypto. And crypto.com is a great platform for buying and selling crypto and sending and receiving crypto. So best of luck to everybody out there. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for Live from Michigan. You can throw out any comments that you have. I'll do my best, comments or questions. I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. I hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.